Mirrlees Blackstone, a company that has a solid foundation in the diesel engine market, one that stretches back to the beginnings of the industry. But now, as then, the company is looking ahead and is constantly examining the changing marketplace and the ways in which it must react to these changes. The Stamford factory has been enlarged and developed continuously, and capital investment over the last 20 years has been considerable. High technology in the shape of computerized production and stock control. One of the most modern foundries in Europe. The latest in electric induction furnaces. And a £1.5 million engine assembly and component storage complex. In fact, production facilities at Stamford are second to none, and planned progressive investment ensures that both factory and products are continuously updated. In 1950, Blackstone launched one of their most successful products, the E-type engine. Its reputation for reliability and economy is borne out by the number of units in service around the world, more than 8,000 engines to date. In order to produce a more powerful successor, Mirrlees Blackstone had to ensure that the new unit would attain the stringent objectives they had laid down. Reliability, durability, ease of maintenance, economy of operation. In addition to this, the improved specification engine also needed to have a residual and blended fuel burning capability and a fuel consumption better than comparable competitors' engines. These objectives were achieved with the ESL Mark II. This engine is available in 5, 6, 8 and 9 cylinder units with crankshaft speeds up to 1,000 rows per minute. The Mark II produces up to 30% more power than its predecessor. All power outputs shown are at a BMEP of 16 bar, with lower outputs proportional to speed and BMEP. Current development work will soon result in the ESL Mark II being released at 17.5 bar. To achieve increased output whilst maintaining or improving reliability, the following design features have been incorporated. Pistons are made of low expansion alloy with a toroidal combustion cavity. The crown being gallery cooled when operating on residual fuel or at 16 bar BMEP and above. The cylinder head now has 4 valves, 2 exhaust and 2 inlet. This gives the improved breathing necessary for higher output. Fuel pumps are mounted externally for ease of accessibility and to minimize the risk of lubricating oil contamination. In fact, the overall design has been simplified to facilitate servicing and routine maintenance. Cylinder heads are designed for easy removal, and this can be done without disturbing the manifolds. In short, Mirrlees Blackstone have achieved their objectives. An engine which produces more power, has a residual fuel capability, and is economical, reliable, durable, and easy to maintain. The ESL Mark II is a versatile unit, capable of use in a wide variety of applications, both industrial and marine. In addition to redesigning the established E-type engine, Mirrlees Blackstone have also launched the MB190, a high-speed engine with the reliability usually associated with medium-speed units. This engine incorporates Mirrlees Blackstone's basic design philosophy of reliability, durability, ease of maintenance, economy of operation. The MB190 is available in 6 and 8 cylinders inline and 12 and 16 cylinders V-form. Power outputs at 17.9 bar BMEP are strategically placed to provide generating set outputs of 750 kilowatts, 1 megawatt, 1.5 megawatts, and 2 megawatts. Despite the high specific output, stress levels have been maintained within existing operational experience. The connecting rods are of 3-piece construction, which gives improved load capability, avoids high stress concentrations, and confers significant assembly and servicing advantages. Pistons are of two-piece design, incorporating a forged aluminium skirt and a steel crown. Careful design of the cooling cavities ensures optimum cooling of the crown and ring belt. The crankshaft has large overlap of pins and journals, which gives high torsional stiffness and facilitates close cylinder centers. A 4-valve cylinder head with unobstructed porting arrangements has been used, which, together with high cylinder pressures, ensures an efficient thermodynamic cycle with attendant low fuel consumption. Ease of maintenance has been achieved in several ways. Generous proportions of the crankcase doors allow easy access to bearings and connecting rods. One camshaft per bank is mounted in a housing which is sub-assembled and then side-loaded to the engine. This also carries the fuel pumps and overspeed spragging device. All major fasteners are hydraulically tightened, which is a time-saving feature and improves bolt tensioning accuracy. The MB190 is of design which had 4,000 hours of development testing before going into service and now has over 20,000 hours operational experience. This design has achieved all its objectives. Economy, proven in operation with low fuel consumption confirmed in service. Reliability and durability, ensured by its strong rigid construction and generous oil film thicknesses. Compactness with a good power-to-weight ratio. Designed for a wide variety of uses, the MB190 is at home in any situation. Power generation, pump and compressor drives, marine propulsion and auxiliary applications. Mirrlees Blackstone engines are backed up by a worldwide network providing sales and service facilities. And in this case, worldwide means just that, because Mirrlees Blackstone engines are operating under every possible condition throughout the world. The heat and dryness of Central Africa, to the cold of Antarctica, and the humidity of the Amazonian jungles. It is this type of experience that Mirrlees Blackstone have drawn on to produce these two new engines. The MB190, a unique concept, and the ESL Mark II, an improved and refined version of a tried and tested design. Mirrlees Blackstone diesels, part of the Hawker Siddeley Group, engineers to the world.